A histogram shows one variable beautifully, but the moment you want to compare several groups, it runs out of room. The box plot was built for exactly that. Here's list price, split by neighborhood. One box each, on the same axis. Every box is 5 numbers. The line inside is the median. The box spans the middle 50% of the data, from the first quartile to the third. The whiskers reach toward the extremes. And, because it's built on the median, not the mean, one luxury listing can't blow it out of shape. The whiskers don't run to the maximum. Stratum uses the Tukey rule. They stop at 1.5 times the box height, and anything past that is drawn as an outlier. The home's worth a second look. 2 medians can look different just by chance. Turn on notches, and each box pinches to show a confidence interval for its median. If 2 notches don't overlap, the difference is very likely real. A box hides one thing, though. Whether a group has 1 peak or 2, switch to a violin, and each box becomes a mirrored density curve. Where it bulges, values pile up. 2 bulges means bimodal. Structure a box would hide. I can even draw the quartiles and points inside for the best of both. When the comparison is right, I export it to PNG, JPEG, or a vector PDF. Next up, density, ridgeline, and cumulative plots. For when you want the smoothing in your own hands.